Good evening, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm great. How about you?
All going good. You're the first person that asked me that question.
Yeah,
Actually.
because I know that it is not easy to sit,
Yeah.
and I know your mind would be constantly thinking of what next.
Correct. But DIDAC this year has been quite good for us. We found some wonderful educators. How has DIDAC been for you this year?
Yes, it is wonderful as always, I'll say. It's every time when we step in here, we learn something.
Yeah.
And I think learning is a lifelong process.
Absolutely.
So that is the reason every year we be here.
Yeah, we were talking earlier. You were saying you could have sent any of your 300 plus teachers, but you're
Exactly.
here because you
Yes.
want to take this opportunity to learn. Have you gone to DIDAC before, or this is your first DIDAC?
No, I think this is the 7th time we are here with
DIDAC.
Yes.
Wow. So you've seen DIDAC grow over the years.
Yes,
Only during
absolutely.
COVID there was a break for 2
Yes,
years in
yes.
between.
Absolutely,
Wonderful.
yes.
Introduce yourself to our audience and
Yes.
where you come from, about your organization.
So I'm Hiralba Chawda. I always introduce myself as I'm a very proud educator.
Wonderful.
So we have chain of preschools in Vadodara, Gujarat. We also have our primary schools. I also run my teachers training institute.
Wonderful.
So everything in nutshell I want to say about me or my organization is I am meant to inspire.
Wow. And you found your path and you're here now to
Exactly.
inspire more people. That's very nice. You have a very good smile, by the way.
Oh, thank you so much.
So you and your husband together are in this
Yes,
space for a while
absolutely,
right
yes.
now. Right. So talk to us a little bit about how you stumbled upon education. You know?
So I'll start with my journey when I just completed my 12th, and me and my family were out for a dinner. And my cousins had stepped down from US. So we all were having a very good time celebrating the results. So when we were discussing few things on the dinner table, and the next table, there were few, I think, owners of a school from Vadodara, and they just heard our conversation about how I was discussing education, how I was discussing how the papers were, and how it could be more easier for the students, those who don't tend to write more. So how they can evaluate them, and what would be the results. So one of the gentlemen stepped ahead and asked my dad, shared a visiting card, and can you get your daughter tomorrow at my school? She's having a wonderful communication skills, so I would love to offer something to her. And that is the way I stepped into schooling. I never thought. And I still wanted to study, and I'm still studying now also, even my PhD is going on.
Right.
So that was the time we stepped down to the place, and then I was offered a front desk and a counseling table to
Right.
counsel the parents. And I
How long ago was this?
definitely,
So sorry?
that is in 2003, I'll say.
Oh, wow.
And
Yeah.
I was not ready for it, but yes, because I love talking, I love communicating. So I said yes, okay, because I was having a gap of 3-4 months starting my college. So I said, let me just try. What is the harm in not trying?
Right. Right.
So I started there, and from that day till I became a principal in the same school, I was there.
Oh, wow.
So that was a long journey. But
Right.
yes, I learned a lot over there, and I think that was the time I decided that this is what I want to do lifelong.
Right.
So when I conceived, I didn't want it to put a full stop
Right.
or a comma in the journey.
Right.
So with my husband's support, we decided that we would be starting our own venture.
Right.
So we started with the first venture of Mayurhi's Achievers Kinderland in one of the Vasna Center. And today we are having 8.
Right.
And at that time, I was a teacher in my own center, having 44 kids. And today we are having 2,500 kids total.
Wow.
And with 300 teachers.
Plus your own.
Yes.
Your own child. Wonderful.
So I'll say
Wow.
that my journey is to a simple lady, a girl, to a girl who is having dreams. She can also fly.
No, that's.
And
you know
there
why
is
it's-
nothing who can stop you.
You know why it's amazing for me to hear this? Because you have not just impacted about 2,500 lives.
Yeah.
When a child, you make them better, they go back and they impact their family, their society, their
Absolutely, yes.
community. We talk about this so often amongst my peers that everything from poor education, from poor leaders
Yes.
that we think, to women's safety, to trash, where you throw trash, everything comes back to education.
Definitely.
Even if
And
you can
I-
impact one life.
Absolutely, yes.
It
And
has
it is
such a
like a
long
full
way.
circle.
Right.
It is definitely like a full circle. And I think for a lady or for anyone who wants to actually relive again and again, I think education sector is the best.
Best.
Because you relive every moment, no matter what year it is, what time it is. And one thing has kept me working on this is when I see smiles on the children's face or the parents' face, that is what kicks me up. That yes, I can do much better. Let's
Right.
give something more good.
Right.
So, and I think you being in the same version, I think your smile also defines that how you have helped
Right.
the education sector boom more,
Right.
and I think make it more convenient.
Yeah. No, absolutely, 100%. Right. One of the things why we are doing this session here is because I've come here and realized how many people are not coming to education.
Sure.
Everybody is still in the rat race. Everybody is still trying to get engineering and all of these things. When there's so much need in this space.
Definitely.
And what
yes.
people don't realize, I worked in corporate for about 7-8 years before coming back and starting this. And within a year, I felt more happiness than I felt by just the smiles of people. The genuinity in education space is so large. So one of the reasons why we're doing this, we're trying to inspire more people to come into education. So what's your message for young people out there? Why should they be in education and not anywhere else?
See, when you just shared a very nice word, I always share it with my fraternity and community too, that let's not run behind this rat race, but rather let's create a different path, a different vision, what the young minds are having.
Right.
See, we already know all the theories, all the philosophies, from the ancient to the modern, and to now what is more being acceptable in the society. So the key towards, I think, a better future is to balance the ancient with the current situations.
Right.
So if I say that if we are exploring a lot of things with playway methods, we should not forget the root learning too.
Right.
Because someday a time will come when children will not like writing, and we all are facing that already.
Correct.
Because now we have given them good tech hands, I will say.
Right.
But that writing is very much important.
Right.
So that is what my aim right now, to spread a light on the minds that everyone feels that हाँ ठीक है, एक अच्छी सैलरी मिल जाए और मैं घर चले जाऊं. But I would love to share कि आज भी मुझे मेरे 10 years पहले का बच्चा अगर कोई आवाज लगाता है, और जब मैं घूमती हूँ और वो जो स्माइल मुझे दिखती है, वो सैलरी से कभी नहीं मिलती.
I'm
So
sure.
the credit
Right.
what I have got being as a teacher, mentor, trainer, I feel that you cannot calculate it with any number of salary, and this will stay with me till I am not there. मेरे जाने के बाद भी रहेगा जिंदा.
No, absolutely. You're leaving that impact.
Definitely yes.
Somebody will probably name their daughter after you because the
Exactly.
impact you had on that. And for me, that gives me goosebumps, right?
Definitely yes.
No, it was amazing chatting with you. I wish you all the best. I
Thank
hope
you so
next
much.
time we meet, this is 5,000 people and
Oh, yes,
7,500
definitely,
people.
yes.
Someone like you with so much joy, I believe, should be in education.
Definitely yes.
thank
And
you
it
so
was
much.
pleasure meeting you too.
Absolutely,
Thank you
my
so
pleasure.
much.
Yeah.